If you want to host a WordPress site on AWS, you usually have two choices. You can do it the hard way by spinning up EC2 instances, installing Apache, configuring MySQL servers, and managing security groups manually. Or you can do it the smart way. Hi everyone, I am Ismail. Welcome back to my journey of building AWS projects to master the cloud. Today is another project and we are tackling AWS Lightsail. I am going to show you how to deploy a production-ready, secure, and auto-backed up WordPress blog in under 50 minutes. We aren't just launching a server. We are going to configure a static IP so our address never changes. We are going to retrieve our admin credentials securely via SSH and even set up a free SSL certificate so our site is secure with HTTPS. So guys, by the end of this video, you will have a fully functional blog running on the cloud for as little as $5 a month. Let's get started. First, we'll go into our console and then we are going to search AWS Lightsail and we'll click that. Lightsail is Amazon's virtual private server VPS service. It bundles compute, storage, and networking into one easy price, which is perfect for projects like this. So what this means is, instead of deploying WordPress on traditional EC2 instances, which often requires manual installation of our LAMP stack, that's Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, and also going through the stress of routine security patching, complex network configurations, and so on. And this process can be time consuming and technically demanding. This project addresses these challenges by leveraging AWS Lightsail to bundle our compute power, storage, and also networking into a single managed service. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and create an instance. I will click on create an instance. And then I'm going to change the region, the AWS region, and the availability zone. For the region, it is going to be in North Virginia, and the availability zone now, it is going to be US East 1 in the North Virginia region. For the platform, we're going to go ahead and choose the Linux/Unix platform. For the blueprints, we are going to choose WordPress. This is the magic part. So this utilizes a Bitnami stack, which means the LAMP stack are all pre-installed for us. That means we have our Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So no manual coding is required for that. For the pricing model, I am choosing the $5 per month tier. This gives us 512 MB of RAM, 2 vCPUs, and about 20 gig of SSD storage. So for a starter blog or portfolio, I think this is excellent value and this is okay. Naming the instance now, I will name mine my WordPress blog. Be sure to give it a unique name. Now and after that, we can review and then click on create instance. It will take a minute or two to switch from pending to running. So I am going to pause the video and come back when it is running. Now we have the instance running already, and we're going to click on my WordPress blog. And I'm going to locate the networking tab. It's just down here. Click on that so we can view the public IP address. This is the public IP address you can use to access the WordPress blog. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and open a new tab and paste it so we can see the content of the blog. So we're going to paste this and boom, yes, we have our WordPress site live right now. But wait, how do we log in? We don't have a username or a password yet. So the next thing we are going to do is we're going to be retrieving the password. AWS doesn't email you the password for security reasons. It is stored inside the server. To get it, we need to SSH into the instance. And to do that, we'll come back to our console. We're going to go to the Connect tab and we'll find that orange Connect button. connect using SSH, and we're going to click on that, connect using SSH. So this opens a secure browser-based terminal that we're going to use to retrieve our password. Once we are in, we are going to type in cat Bitnami _application password to get our password, and then hit enter. So our password is given to us. We are going to copy and save it somewhere so we can use later to log in into our WordPress site as an admin. We can now try that out by going to a new tab and let's use HTTP. Then we need our IP address. We'll come back and copy it here and paste it. So remove this. Then slash WP admin slash. We are now prompted for the username and the password. We have the password available now, but for the username, we'll come back to the console and we are going to copy that, which is user. So our username is user, and the password we pasted in it previously. And then we're going to go ahead and log in, and now we're inside the WordPress dashboard. We could stop here, but we have a problem. If I reboot this server right now, AWS will assign it a new public IP address. That means my website's link would break. We need to fix that with a static IP. So we're going to go back to the console. We're going to navigate back to the networking tab and click on that. Then we're going to click on attach static IP. I think it's up here. Attach static IP, and we're going to give it a name. My static IP. Then create and attach it to the instance immediately. We are going to wait a little while our static IP address gets created and attached. And now that we have it attached and ready, this new IP address now is permanently reserved for the blog. Even if I restart the server, my users can still find me. So what we are going to do now is we are going to test it out and check if it is accessible. So we are going to try to log in again into our dashboard as an admin and check if it is going to work. Prompted for the username and the password again. Our username is user, and the password we just copy and paste this and try to log in. And once again, our WordPress site is live. We are almost done, but as a solutions architect, I always think about disaster recovery. What if I break the site? So we have to plan for disasters, and then we're going to go back to the console now. Click on snapshots. We have no snapshots available right now because we did not enable automatic snapshots during the instance creation. So we're going to change that now by going into our instances and turning on automatic snapshots for our instance. So we're going to click instances. We'll click on my WordPress blog, and then go to snapshot and then turn on automatic snapshots. So we enable automatic snapshots. We click I understand and yes, enable automatic snapshots. This tells AWS to take full backup of my entire instance every single day. If I mess something up, I can restore yesterday's version with just one click. So now let's verify if everything works properly. I am going to create a new post titled click. Then we're going to add a new post. So add the title Ismail Oyeleke, and then I'm going to say hello everyone, welcome to my blog, and then we're going to hit that publish button and publish it. So as you can see, we have it published, and when we refresh this, you can see the post I just made. It works perfectly, it is fast, secure, and it is backed up. And that is how you deploy a WordPress site on AWS Lightsail. We successfully launched the Linux server, retrieved our credentials via SSH, locked down a static IP, and also we all did that in less than 15 minutes. I am documenting this entire journey on GitHub and Medium, so if you want to copy and paste commands or step-by-step guide, check the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop some comments in the comment section, and subscribe to follow the journey. I am Oyeleke Ismail, and I'll see you in the next project. Thank you very much for watching.